Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all have seen my earlier video of the chapter 15 under the Unit 5 digital presentation. In that video, we have discussed what is presentation, what is slide, what is slideshow, what is the difference between a slide and a slideshow, then what are the components of a presentation, and next was what are the characteristics of the good presentation. I hope all the topics are clear to you. Now we are moving to the next chapter, that is chapter 16, creating a presentation under the unit 5 digital presentation. Today in this video we will discuss these points, that is how to start a PowerPoint, what about the PowerPoint window, how it looks and what are the components of the PowerPoint window. Next is how we can create a blank presentation, how we can create a presentation using built-in templates, how we can add the text in a slides, how we can save our presentation. Next, how we can save a presentation using a password protection. Next, how we can save a presentation as a PDF file, how we should close a presentation, how we can open a presentation, and next, how we can close the PowerPoint application. In today's video, we will discuss all these points of the PowerPoint presentation. First is how we can start our presentation. You can see, come with me for the practical session of these topics. I am closing it. No. This is your desktop. How you can start your presentation. For this you have to click on this start button, all programs, Microsoft Office. Under the Microsoft Office you will click on the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Now you can see the window of the PowerPoint presentation. This is the look. This is the first window of the Microsoft PowerPoint. In this, your next topic was the PowerPoint window. Here is, you can see, that is the title bar. In the title bar, its name is the presentation 1 and it's a Microsoft PowerPoint. Now these buttons, the save files, undo, redo buttons are shown here. These are shown here, and it is known as the quick access toolbar. This is your file tab, home, insert, design, transitions. These are your tabs, and these are your clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing. These are called the groups. And under the groups there are various options, like in slides there is a new slides, layout, reset section. Under the font these buttons are there. Under the graph these options are here. Under the drawing group these options are here, and all these groups are on this pane, and this pane is known as the ribbon. That is known as the ribbon. Clipboard, slide, font plus paragraph, drawing, editing, these all panes includes, and that is known as the ribbon. And here you can see this is your slide pane. In the slide pane, first is click to add titles, next is click to add subtitles. These rectangular box are known as the placeholders. Please listen carefully. Sometimes it questions comes in your exam that what is placeholder. These dotted rectangular box on a slides in which you can enter any text, that is known as the placeholder. तो इस स्लाइड्स पर दो प्लेस होल्डर है, एक ये रेक्टेंगल और एक नीचे वाला रेक्टेंगल. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट देयर इज द स्टेटस बार, लाइक स्लाइड 1 of 1. हमने 1 स्लाइड्स ओपन कर रखी है. This is slides and this is outline. टैब, अभी हमने स्लाइड्स ही शुरू किया रखी है, तो दीज आर द slide tab, slides tab and outline. This is known as the outline tab and this is known as the slide pane. Clear? तो these are all about the, और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं there is a zoom button जिससे आप zoom कर सकते हो. You can see. तो this zoom button and here that is the view. ये view के बारे में अभी बताऊंगी. These are the different views to see the slides. Slide sorter view, मिनिमाइज स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू हो गया, नॉर्मल व्यू हो गया, स्लाइड शो व्यू, रीडिंग व्यू. तो दीज आर द व्यूज. तो दीज आर नोन एज द नोट्स पेन. दिस इज क्लिक टू ऐड नोट्स. यहाँ पर आप अपनी स्लाइड से रिलेटेड कुछ भी नोट्स लिख सकते हो. दिस इज नोन एज द नोट्स पेन. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द पावर पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट अ ब्लैंक प्रेजेंटेशन. File में you will click on the new. This is the blank presentation. Click on the blank presentation and on this click on the create. So this is your blank presentation. How you can create a blank presentation. Next is how you can create a presentation using built-in templates. Built-in templates means बने बनाए टेम्पलेट्स जिसमें ऑलरेडी डिज़ाइन, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन सब डला हुआ है. आप उसको एज इट इज़ अपने स्लाइड्स के लिए, अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए यूज़ करना चाहते हो. हाउ वी कैन यूज़ इट. फाइल, न्यू. नेक्स्ट इज सैम्पल टेम्पलेट. अब ये देखिए दीज आर द टेम्पलेट्स विच यू कैन यूज़. मैंने ये वाला यूज़ किया एंड आई हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन क्रिएट. अब यू कैन सी ये बने बनाए टेम्पलेट्स की स्लाइड आ गई. मैं किसी पे भी क्लिक करके इसमें चेंजेस कर सकती हूँ. Clear? Now is it clear to you? Now I am opening a blank document again. File, new, blank and the create. Clear? Next is how you can select a slide layout. एक तो आपने बना बनाया टेम्पलेट यूज़ कर लिया, एक आप स्लाइड लेआउट खुद चूज़ करना चाहते हो. जैसे कि यहाँ पर आया हुआ है जिसमें 2 रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स है. हम किसी और तरह का स्लाइड layout we want to choose. Then how you can choose it. Click on this home. Next go on the slide group and click on this layout. In this layout, this is the title slide, this is title and content, this is section 2 content comparison. So these are the layouts which you can use for making your own presentation. That is already on. Now I am using title and this. Now you can see that how we can choose the slide layout. Next topic is how you can add a text. Now click जैसे how we can add a text in these slides. This is click to add title and click to add text. There are 2 placeholder. I have clicked on this first placeholder and add title वाले में I am writing my title, my project. So by this method you can add a text. Now how you can save a presentation. Click on file, then click on save. जैसे मैंने save पर क्लिक किया, you can see a dialog box, save as dialog box is opened here. Specify the file name my project तो by default आ गया. मैं यहाँ पे इसको change करके कोई भी नाम दे सकती हूँ. After that click on save and you should see that where you are saving, what is the path to save your slide. For example, here the path is my file, my project name is my project, that is saving in the libraries and libraries में documents में save हो रही है. So you should know the path of your saved file. Then click on save. Now my file is saved in libraries and then in documents. How you can save a presentation using a password protection. Same as we have done in the digital documentation. Click on files. Go on. click on save as dialog box. Here is the tools, general options, and general options, password to open. Here you can choose and you can give the password to save your presentation. Then click on OK. आपका वहाँ पे password आ जाएगा clearly. Now next is how you can save a presentation as a PDF. If you want to save your presentation as a PDF, click on File, Save As. जैसे ही Save As में आप जाओगे, here it is showing that is Save As type. Here you have to click on this arrow button. You can see select the PDF option in Save As type में. यहाँ पर PDF option आएगी आपके सामने. You can see this PDF. As I have given this PDF, अब जो भी मेरी ये फाइल है, ये मेरी स्लाइड है, एज अ PDF फॉर्मेट में जाकर ये फाइल मेरी सेव हो जाएगी. इसी तरह आप वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट को भी PDF क्रिएट कर सकते हो एंड योर अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन का भी यू कैन क्रिएट अ PDF ऑफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑल्सो. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, हाउ यू कैन रन अ स्लाइड शो. ये तो वन प्रोजेक्ट था, एक स्लाइड है. मैंने एक न्यू स्लाइड्स और ऐड करती हूँ. न्यू स्लाइड्स में गई, एक मैंने टाइटल स्लाइड ऐड कर ली, फिर न्यू स्लाइड्स में गई, देन आई हैव एडेड अ सेक्शन हेडर. तो आई हैव एडेड अ 3 स्लाइड्स इन इट. इन दिस my project computer, I'm writing here is computer. Next in this computer memory, we are using memory. So I have made 3 slides. If you want to run a slideshow of this, या तो आपको F5 की, आप कीबोर्ड से you can press F5 की. Then you can run this slideshow button. या फिर आपने कहाँ जाना है, स्लाइड शो में जाओ, क्लिक ऑन दिस स्लाइड शो टैब, देन गो ऑन फ्रॉम बिगनिंग. फर्स्ट क्लिक, सेकंड क्लिक, थर्ड क्लिक, ब्लैंक, एंड आ गया. तो बाय दिस मेथड, by going into the slideshow tab, then go in the front, then go in the buttons, start slideshow के अंदर from beginning button पे click करोगे, then you can see the slideshow. How you can close a presentation? Go on file and then click on close. Your presentation will be closed. Do you want to save the changes? Yes. Your presentation is closed. If you want to open it, file, open. ओपन में मेरा लाइब्रेरीज में, डॉक्यूमेंट में ही था, लाइब्रेरीज में, फिर डॉक्यूमेंट्स में, एंड माय फाइल नेम वाज माय प्रोजेक्ट. क्लिक ऑन, देन क्लिक ऑन दिस ओपन बटन. नाउ माय प्रोजेक्ट इज ओपनड हियर. This was all about this chapter. One more thing, that is using help. If you want to use the using help, if you want to use this using help, मतलब you want any help, then you can see you have to click that help button at the top right corner of the window. At the top right corner of the window पे help button होगा, Microsoft, you can see here. बिल्कुल टॉप राइट कॉर्नर के ऊपर you can see क्वेश्चन मार्क दिखा रहा है, that is for the helping, Microsoft PowerPoint help. I click on this, तो PowerPoint helping विंडो आ गई. अगर आपने कुछ स्पेलिंग, ग्रामर कैसे चेक करने हैं, इंस्टॉल कैसे करना है, वर्किंग विद टेक्स्ट, वर्किंग विद टेबल्स, वर्किंग विद स्मार्ट आर्ट, तो कुछ फंक्शंस हैं जो अगर आप वर्किंग विद एनिमेशंस, वर्किंग विद मूवीज, हाउ वी कैन वर्क विद ट्रांजिशंस, how we can working with sounds. So these are some functions. If you don't know, you can take a help from here also. This was how we can use a help. Next is closing the PowerPoint application. अगर आपने PowerPoint application कोई क्लोज करना है तो फाइल क्लिक ऑन द, पहले तो इसको क्लोज करें, then you have to click on this file button and you will go on this exit. क्लियर. प्रेजेंटेशन क्लोज करनी है तो अपने प्रेजेंटेशन क्लोज हो गई थी, बट नेक्स्ट फाइल प्रेजेंटेशन की डेट वाज ओपन हियर. बट इफ यू वांट टू क्लोज द प्रॉपर application, you want to close the proper PowerPoint application, then how you can use it? Click on this file and then go on this exit. Now if any file is opened in the PowerPoint, all will be closed. मतलब your Microsoft PowerPoint will be closed here, application will be closed. अगर क्लोज पे क्लिक करते हो तो सिर्फ जो भी आपने प्रेजेंटेशन बनाई है, जो इस वक्त ओपन है, जो एक्टिव है, इन विच यू आर वर्किंग, दैट विल बी क्लोज. And if you want to close the application, PowerPoint application totally, then click on the file and click on this exit. Now you can see no files of the PowerPoint is opened here. All the files of PowerPoint are closed here. So this was all about your second chapter, and this was the practical of the second chapter. These are the simple terms. I think you all are already acquainted with all of these. How we can open, how we can close, how we can give a password, how we can save a file as PDF, how we can close a presentation. This was all about your presentation. Presentation simple functions. अब इसके भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि what are the placeholders जो मैंने अभी बताया है, how you can change the layout of the slides, how you can save a presentation in a PDF format, to name 3 options that you can see in message box while closing a presentation. So these are all about the questions that you have to write in your notebook. Don't worry, at the last of this unit I will send the question answers that you have to write in your notebook. अभी तो सिर्फ इतना ही है. Please just do the practical of these chapters. As we are moving, simultaneously complete your practical part. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.